Hi, children. Today, let us learn conjunction. And we are going to use but. We're going to learn conjunction but. Read the sentence, the usage, identify. Okay? Conjunction but. What is conjunction? Let's read together. Conjunctions. The word that is used to join two words or sentences are called as conjunction. Two words or sentences called as conjunction. So we are going to today learn conjunctions but. B-U-T, but. Conjunction but in the sentence. Look at the picture. Identify. I'm sure you're going to learn and I'm sure you're going to enjoy learning conjunction but in this today's exercise. Let's look at our first picture. See what you have here. You like this picture? A lot of lovely things here. Yes? Let's read. You have here Mickey. Mickey is sweet. What does Minnie say? Mickey is sweet, but naughty. Mickey is sweet, but naughty. Sweet, naughty. You join two words, sweet, naughty. Can you say Mickey is sweet? Mickey is naughty. Instead of that, we shorten it by putting but. Conjunction but. Yes, Mickey is sweet, but naughty. Good. Let's look at our next picture. See here, you love to eat this. Actually, this is pizza. It's a junk food. You should not eat all the time. Pizza is tasty, but not healthy. It's not healthy to drink pizza, eat pizza all the time. So tasty, healthy. You join tasty, healthy, and you add but. Tasty, healthy. You like to eat it. It is tasty, but not healthy. You'll be sick if you eat all the time. So conjunction but. Tasty, but not healthy. Good. Let's look at a new picture. See here. Look at this man, long face. He's got a lot of money. Is he happy? No. He is rich, full money, but not happy. He is rich, but not happy. Why? He's not giving others, no? He's keeping all to himself. He's rich, but not happy. Conjunction, but. Let's take another picture. Look. There's an old man sitting on a bench over here. He is old, but very strong. You think he's old? He's old, but very strong. Old, strong. He's old, but strong. Conjunction but is used here. Yes? Good. Let's take a new picture. Look. Look at this man crying. Peter worked very hard. He works whole day and night, but could not succeed. He worked very hard, whole day and night. Peter worked hard, but could not succeed. When you work hard, you have to succeed. But here Peter worked hard, but could not succeed. Two sentences here. Peter worked hard. Peter could not succeed. How do you join two sentences? You join by adding but. Peter worked hard, but could not succeed. Conjunction but. Let's go on to a new picture. Look. Look at all these children there. Okay? They know to dance, they know to sing. They know to dance. They also know to sing. But we add but here. They not only dance, but also sing. They not only dance, but also sing. So they can sing and dance. So they not only dance, but also sing. But. Conjunction but. Shall we look at another picture? Look at all these children. They not only speak English. What language do they speak? They speak English, but also French. These children, they not only speak English, but also they can speak French. But. Good. Conjunction but. Are you enjoying the exercise? Good. Let's take a new picture. Look what you have here. Look at this. She loves dog but hates cat. She doesn't like cat. She loves dog but hates cat. Her pet is only dog. She wouldn't keep a cat as a pet. She loves dog but hates cat. But. Conjunction but. Let's go on to another picture. See what you have here. Here's the little girl. She says she's not only intelligent, she's very clever, very intelligent, but also smart. You may be intelligent, but you needn't be smart. Here, she not only intelligent, but also smart. But. Conjunction but. Are you enjoying the exercise? Let's take another picture. Look. Like to drink soup? Yummy soup? Look, read. Soup is not only tasty, but also healthy. Soup is not only tasty, it is very tasty, but also healthy. Okay, so drink soup, tasty soup to keep you healthy. But is the conjunction. Yes? Good. Let's take another picture. Look at the picture here. This little girl, she bought ice cream. Amy bought some ice cream. Amy bought an ice cream, but it melted. By the time she opened, it melted. Amy bought an ice cream, but what happened? It melted. But conjunction. Let's go on to another picture. Look at this. This little boy loves to eat noodles. He likes noodles, but not rice. Every day he'll tell, Mommy, give me noodles. Mommy will say, no, eat rice. No. He likes noodles, but not rice. He likes noodles, not rice. But conjunction. Let's go on to another picture. See here, the two kids here, probably brother and sister, they like reading. They like reading storybooks, not writing. Mommy says, come and do some writing. No, they don't like writing. They like reading, but writing. Let's take another picture and understand conjunction but in the sentence. Look, they are naughty. This sister and brother, they are very naughty. Look at father standing at the back over there. They are naughty, but helpful. They may be naughty children, but they are helping in the house. Helping to fold clothes, removing the dust. Naughty, but helpful. Naughty, helpful. Two sentences. They are naughty, they are helpful. They are naughty, but. Conjunction but, helpful. You understood now? Conjunction, the usage of conjunction but in the sentence? Good. Shall we take another picture? Look. Here you have one uncle and children all going for cycling. Let's read the sentence. They like cycling, all of them. They like cycling, but not skating. Why not skating? you can break your leg. You can be in great danger if you misjudge skating. So they all like cycling, but not skating. Skating. Good. But conjunction. Let's look at another picture. See what you have here. He likes drinking water, any amount of water he will drink, but not milk. Conjunction but. He likes drinking water, but not milk. So usage of conjunction but in the sentence. I hope you enjoyed the exercise.